Did you know that 91% of motorcycle crashes involving other vehicles happen on city streets, not highways? That's right. While a lot of riders panic about riding on the interstate, it's actually one of the safest places to be on two wheels. But that's just one of the many fears bikers have that aren't as scary as they seem. Fear is a part of riding, but here's the truth. Most of the things you're scared of aren't as dangerous as they feel. In this video, we're breaking down 7 common motorcycle fears that you need to stop stressing over, and more importantly, how to overcome them so you can enjoy the ride with confidence. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fear of riding on highways. Highways feel like a death trap to a lot of new riders, and honestly, I get it. You're surrounded by speeding cars, giant trucks, and the occasional driver who's more focused on their phone than the road. It's intimidating. But here's the thing, riding on the highway is actually safer than riding on city streets. Yeah, you heard that right. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 91% of all motorcycle crashes involving another vehicle happen on non-highway roads. That's because city streets are full of unpredictable dangers. Cars pulling out from side roads, pedestrians stepping into traffic, drivers running red lights. On the highway, everything moves in the same direction, and there are fewer sudden stops or blind intersections. The biggest concern on highways is merge lanes and distracted drivers, but if you stay alert, use your mirrors, and position yourself where drivers can see you, you'll be fine. Stick to the left or middle lanes when possible. Avoid lingering in blind spots, and always assume drivers don't see you because half the time they don't. Riding a motorcycle always comes with some risk, but highways aren't the enemy. Number 2. Fear of riding in the rain. Riding in the rain freaks out a lot of motorcyclists, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. Slick roads, reduced visibility, and the constant worry of losing traction can make even experienced riders tense up. But here's the reality. Riding in the rain isn't as dangerous as people think, as long as you know what you're doing. The key is smooth inputs, no sudden braking, no jerky throttle, and definitely no sharp turns. Tires today are built with excellent wet weather grip, and modern gear will keep you dry and comfortable. According to a study by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, only 2% of fatal motorcycle crashes happen in the rain, meaning dry roads are actually where the vast majority of accidents occur. That said, wet conditions do require extra attention. Painted road markings, metal surfaces, and oil patches become extremely slippery, so avoid them when possible. Give yourself extra stopping distance, ride in the tire tracks left by cars, and invest in a good set of waterproof gloves and a clear visor for better visibility. If the rain gets too heavy or you don't feel comfortable, pull over and wait it out. There's no shame in riding smart. Number 3. Fear of cars not seeing you. This one isn't just a fear, it's a cold, hard reality that every rider needs to accept. Car drivers don't see motorcycles the same way they see other cars. Not because they're evil or out to get us, but because of inattentional blindness. Studies show that drivers looking directly at a motorcycle are still 13% less likely to perceive it compared to a car. That's why so many crashes happen at intersections when a driver swears, "I didn't even see him." They genuinely didn't, so how do you deal with it? You make yourself impossible to ignore. Wear bright gear or add reflective strips to your jacket and bike. Use your headlight during the day. But the best trick? The Smidsy weaves a slight side-to-side movement before an intersection. This creates motion in a driver's field of vision, making their brain register you as an actual object instead of blending into the background. Also, position yourself strategically in traffic. Don't sit in blind spots. Always assume drivers are clueless and be ready to react. Number 4. Fear of dropping your bike. Every rider at some point has worried about dropping their bike. Whether you're a nervous beginner or a seasoned rider with an expensive machine, that moment of panic is real. But here's the truth. It happens to everyone. Literally everyone. Even the most experienced riders have had an awkward slow-speed tip-over or a parking lot blunder. It's not a matter of if, it's when. And honestly, it's not the end of the world. The biggest fear behind dropping a bike isn't even the damage, it's the embarrassment. No one wants to be that guy struggling to lift their bike while people stare. But guess what? Other riders get it. Most will rush to help you before they even finish laughing. The key is to learn how to pick up your bike properly and just own it. If you're new, start practicing low-speed maneuvers in an empty parking lot so you gain confidence in balance and control. Number 5. Fear of crashing. Let's be real. Crashing is the fear that lingers in every rider's mind. And honestly, it's not irrational. Motorcycles leave you completely exposed, and the consequences of a crash can be serious. But here's the thing. Fear alone won't keep you safe, but preparation will. Instead of letting the thought of crashing hold you back, focus on reducing your risk. First, wearing proper gear and a DOT-approved helmet alone reduces the risk of fatal head injuries by 37%, according to the CDC. Second, take an advanced riding course. Studies show that riders who complete motorcycle safety foundation courses are significantly less likely to be involved in serious accidents. Third, ride like you're invisible. Assume drivers don't see you, stay out of blind spots, and be hyper-aware at intersections. Finally, don't ride beyond your skill level. Most crashes occur when riders push too hard, whether it's taking a corner too fast or trying to keep up with a faster group. Number 6. Fear of group rides. Riding in a group sounds awesome until you realize you might be the slow one. Nobody wants to be that rider, struggling to keep up while everyone else flies ahead. And yeah, there's a little bit of pressure when you're riding with experienced bikers who seem to move like a pack of wolves. But here's the truth. Group rides aren't a race, and nobody worth riding with is judging you. The whole point of a group ride is to enjoy the ride, not to prove who's the fastest. If you're new to group riding, ride at your own pace and stick to a position where you're comfortable, like the middle or back of the pack. Also, learn the basic hand signals and group ride formations so you don't feel lost. Most importantly, never ride beyond your skill level just to keep up. That's how people crash. A good group will respect your pace, and if they don't, then they're not a group worth riding with. Number 7. Fear of losing control on a corner. Ask any rider what their biggest *T moment was, and chances are it happened in a corner. Whether it's going in too hot, feeling the bike wobble, or that heart-stopping moment when the tires start to slide cornering can be intimidating. And the truth is, most single-vehicle motorcycle crashes happen because riders misjudge a turn. A study by the MSF found that over 50% of these crashes involve riders running wide due to target fixation or over-braking. But here's the good news. You can train yourself out of this fear. First, look where you want to go, not at the thing you're afraid of hitting. Your bike follows your eyes, so if you fixate on a guardrail, guess where you're going? Straight into it. Second, master countersteering, pressing on the inside handlebar to lean the bike naturally into the turn. Third, learn trail braking by gently applying the front brake while entering a turn to control speed without upsetting the bike's balance. And finally, trust your tires. Modern motorcycle tires have way more grip than you think. Instead of tensing up in a corner, stay smooth, stay loose, and stay focused.